Hey everyone, in the last video I showed you how to perform the ChiSquare test using SAS. Today I'm going to do the same thing with Excel. There are two methods of doing it. One is quick and dirty. The other is more theoretical and make more sense. And let's start with the first one. So I have the same data with 4 columns: name, credit rating, gender, and credit score. I like to check if the credit rating has something to do with this gender or they're associated with each other. In my credit rating, I have 4 categories: excellent, fair, good, and subpar. And in my gender column, I have 2 values, female and male. I like to create a contingency table using my pivot table features. Okay, I can drop my credit rating to the columns, and then gender to the rows, and name to the values. Okay, and I like to make sure my get pivot data or generate get pivot data is disabled, so they won't mess up with my formula calculations. Next, I like to calculate my expected values for this contingency table. Okay, so this will be equal to my row total divided by my total. This will give me a weight, okay, and times my column total. Okay, so, and I don't want my calculation shift around, so I need to fix these 2 values here, and then I'll copy and paste here. And similarly for male, I can do my row weight the same way, and times my column total. I need to keep these 2 values fixed so they don't shift. Okay. Okay, so now my p-value for chi-square test will be calculated using the chi-square.test. My actual range will be these 2 rows and 4 columns, and my expected range will be by these 2 rows and 4 columns. Okay. Now, I can simplify that just by leaving 2 digits after my decimal point. All right. And then I can calculate my chi-square value here. Now, this is my formula to use, okay? And my degree of freedom is 3, okay? Now, if you need a refresher, please find out from my video comprehensive overview of a chi-square test. All right, and let me simplify that. All right. So this 0.03 p-value is less than 0.05, which means I can reject the null hypothesis that credit score or credit rating is independent of gender, okay, and which means they are associated with each other. Okay, next we're going to do the same thing but in more theoretical way in Excel. Okay, now I calculate chi-square from basics. Okay, my observed minus expected, take the square, divide by the expected. I'll do the same thing. Now the mail section. Okay, it's a very tedious process, but at least it gives you a theoretical insight of how we calculate a chi-square value to test an independence. All right, now we get a chi-square value. From that, we can get our p-value. I would take this chi-square value in, and then degree of freedom is 3. Okay, so we get our p-value. Same story happened here. We can reject the null hypothesis because our p-value is 0.03, which is less than 0.05. So the difference or the association between the credit rating and the gender is obvious. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe or click on the like button. Thank you again. Have a great day.